Everything can change in the blink of an eye. All it takes is a split second. So this happened today. And this guy forgot to park his car correctly, and this happened. This could have ended so badly. All it takes is one person to cause total mayhem. Maybe it's time for a roundabout here. When an impatient driver ruins your entire day. And here's why speeding is never a good idea. All it takes is one dingus driver. And this guy narrowly escaped the worst. When trying to overtake goes horribly wrong. When the sleeper car has too much power. Definitely the worst bus ride ever. When your trailer decides to go wild on the highway. And here's why you shouldn't tailgate. Who's at fault here? Not even I saw that coming.
Power cable working on some kind of long metal pipework, like a swath of chainmail.
What could possibly go wrong? How did this person even get a license? All it takes is one bad driver. This is beyond terrifying. Thanks for watching until the end. Make sure to like and subscribe to this channel if you enjoyed the video. Check out this next video, and I'll see you there.